Boeing Starliner encounters major obstacles, schedule delayed again. Welcome to Elon Musk's Signal channel. The historic voyage taking humans aboard the Starliner spacecraft has once again been postponed due to a helium leak. This new incident presents a significant challenge to the Starliner program, which has faced numerous technical setbacks since its unmanned test launch in 2019. Watch the video to explore the details of the incident and its implications for the plan to transport humans to the International Space Station. According to the plan, Starliner was scheduled to lift off on Friday, May 17, carrying NASA astronauts Suni Williams and Butch Wilmore on a manned test flight bound for the International Space Station for an 8-day mission. However, the plan had to be altered when technicians discovered a small helium leak in the spacecraft's service module. This incident delays once more the first manned flight of Starliner, which has been delayed for years beyond the initial schedule and has cost over $1.4 billion USD, pushing the schedule back yet again, now expected no earlier than May 21. The helium leak, although small, poses a risk to the performance and safety of the spacecraft. Helium plays a crucial role in the Starliner's pressure regulation system, helping control the pressure inside the cabin and safeguarding astronauts from the adverse effects of the space environment. It could lead to pressure loss, causing serious health issues for the crew and even affecting the operation of critical systems on board the spacecraft. Recognizing the severity of the incident, Boeing's technical team and the United Launch Alliance, ULA, Space Launch Alliance have been tirelessly working to identify the source of the leak and implement effective remedial measures. Thorough testing and resolution of this issue are crucial to ensuring the spacecraft meets performance and safety standards before undertaking the mission with astronauts. In addition to the helium leak, Starliner faces other technical challenges, including a malfunction of the pressure relief valve in the Centaur upper stage of the rocket. This valve plays a vital role in adjusting oxygen pressure during launch and flight, ensuring efficient engine operation. Malfunctioning valves could pose a risk of fire or explosion, seriously jeopardizing the safety of the entire mission. To address this issue, the technical team has conducted checks and repairs on the oxygen relief valve, as well as simulation tests to ensure its normal operation under real conditions. The Atlas V rocket, the vehicle transporting Starliner, has been moved back to the vertical integration facility from the launch pad to address the issue. The delays in Starliner's launch schedule are not just temporary obstacles but also have far-reaching impacts on Boeing and NASA's Commercial Crew program. Boeing, one of the two primary contractors alongside SpaceX selected by NASA for ferrying astronauts to and from the International Space Station, ISS, as part of the collaboration with private companies in space missions. SpaceX has successfully completed several manned flights to the ISS with the Crew Dragon spacecraft, putting significant pressure on Boeing in the race to develop commercial space transportation vehicles. Since 2020, SpaceX has safely and efficiently completed numerous missions ferrying NASA astronauts to the ISS. Asserting their leadership position in this field, the success of Crew Dragon has set a high standard for competing rivals, including Boeing and Starliner. For Boeing, successfully showcasing Starliner is crucial to maintaining its position in NASA's Commercial Crew portfolio. The continuous delays and technical issues may impact future contracts, while putting Boeing at a disadvantage compared to SpaceX, forcing them to urgently strive to improve the performance and safety of their spacecraft. Over the years, Boeing has faced continuous challenges with the Starliner spacecraft. The first unmanned test flight, conducted in late 2019, encountered trouble immediately upon reaching space due to a computer software glitch on board. Ground controllers struggled to rectify the issue, but ultimately Starliner couldn't reach its destination, the International Space Station. Another planned launch in 2021 was also cancelled due to corrosion and jamming of the pressure relief valve in the service module. It wasn't until 2022 that Boeing finally managed to successfully conduct an unmanned test flight, delivering the capsule to the International Space Station. However, afterward, they discovered issues with the parachute system and flammable tape inside the capsule, necessitating their removal, with the new launch date set for May 21st, the mission teams are focusing on finalizing checks for rectifying the helium leak. This step is crucial as it will confirm the readiness of the spacecraft for flight and ensure the safety of the crew en route to the International Space Station. If successful, this mission will mark a pivotal milestone for Boeing, reaffirming the capability to perform manned space flights with Starliner. The teams are currently targeting the earliest launch time at 4:43 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time on Tuesday, May 21st, to complete additional checks. The upcoming manned test flight will allow astronauts to actually fly on the spacecraft and test the capsule's life support systems. Currently, NASA astronauts Sunita Williams and Barry "Butch" Wilmore are awaiting within quarantine. Both are seasoned space travelers deeply involved in the preparation process. If the flight proceeds on Tuesday, the rocket will lift off at 4:43 p.m. from Cape Canaveral, Florida. This mission not only tests the spacecraft but also provides valuable data on its performance in real space conditions. Williams and Wilmore's journey will mark significant personal and professional milestones, adding another meaningful chapter to the annals of space exploration. The hypothesis posed is, if the flight proceeds without astronauts aboard, could it still proceed smoothly? According to experts, the possibility of Starliner completing its mission without astronauts is entirely feasible. This is because many critical systems on the spacecraft are designed to operate autonomously, without human intervention. For instance, the navigation system, altitude control system, and landing system can all operate independently. However, the absence of astronauts also entails some risks. Astronauts can play a crucial role in handling unexpected situations, manually adjusting trajectories, or performing emergency repairs if necessary. In the absence of astronauts, the spacecraft will rely entirely on automated systems, and its ability to handle complex contingencies may be limited. Furthermore, the absence of astronauts also impacts the ability to collect scientific data. Astronauts can conduct experiments, make observational notes, and provide direct feedback on the flight experience. The lack of this data could affect the assessment of the spacecraft's performance and identification of areas for improvement. Therefore, sending astronauts aboard the spacecraft will help ensure mission safety, gather valuable scientific data, and enhance the ability to handle unexpected situations. As Boeing addresses these challenges and looks towards the new launch date, the global space community, along with potential commercial and government customers, will closely monitor the situation. The success of this mission could bolster confidence in Boeing's top-notch technical capabilities and their contribution to manned space flights, a field that continually inspires space enthusiasts worldwide. Do you believe in the upcoming journey of Starliner? Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to like, share the video, and subscribe to the channel for continuous updates on interesting technology and electric vehicles. Goodbye and see you in the next video.